Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Monticello local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to a long-distance shift, the only thing that matters the most is the safety of your belongings. Plus, the legality is required to cross the state or country lines. However, it can become difficult to handle the certifications alongside shifting tour apartments on your own. So, it's advised to hire a professional moving firm, 3 Movers. Our firm is certified and has a good working relationship with the local federal association, so they have provided us with the required permits and certifications. That helped us complete the move without any further checking or legality required. Plus, we provide insurance for all the products that are being shifted by us, meaning in case of any wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us only. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Monticello moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.